Morning guys, in front of me is INFINIX Note 11 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo contact on this device. So at first, open your phone gallery. Now go to Contacts, select the contact that you want to personalize, mark Edit, and select camera icon, which is for profile picture. And now, as you can see, you can either take a photo, so it's a perfect option if someone is staying right in front of you, but if not, just mark choose photo and pick the gallery from which you want to select it. And just go back and reopen it and pick the photo that you want to cover this contact with, provide your pattern if you have one, customize it however you like, tap on confirmation mark, and mark save to apply the change. And that's it, that will be all. From now on, this photo is assigned to particular contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.